Get free tech advice for your business from O2 Gurus. Search O2 Business for more.
Hey guys, welcome to BTech. It's Basil here, unboxing the Huawei Mate S. The Huawei Mate S was just announced here at IFA 2015. Just come out of the press conference in a public place, but thought it was still worthwhile getting you an unboxing as quickly as I can so that you can see exactly what to expect should you be interested in picking one of these up yourself. So this box we've got, don't know if it's final retail packaging. It may well be a presentation box. It definitely looks very, very nicely presented. You've got a few elements around the back. I've got, as you can see, the titanium grey version. It's going to come with the 32, 64 or 128 gig of memory. The 32 and 64 gig ones will not have Force Touch. The 128 gig version will. Force Touch, by the way, is the new tech that they're saying will land on the new iPhone. But without any further ado, let's start with unboxing this thing, and we can peel away some of that cardboard, and next it's all about sliding it out. It's quite stiff there, so it looks like Huawei is really taking their design seriously. This reads Huawei design on the side and looks quite reminiscent of Porsche design in terms of the typography. Again, apologies about the background noise. You can see there's nothing really of note here except for that sticker that we were talking about. I can open up the box to reveal the phone itself. Now, I'll talk about the phone in a bit more detail once I finish up looking at the box contents. So it's very, very nicely presented. In all its glory, we've got these headphones, and these are wind cancelling headphones. I've also got a power connector. At IFA, I could really do with one of these European ones, and a USB cable as well to micro USB. Really hope it does end up getting packaged like this for public consumption and not just for these kind of press kits, because it's really, really attractive. You can also see a nano SIM eject slot, pin even, and I can open that up. And it doesn't look like there's any literature, but that's really, really sweet. So Huawei's gone and included a effectively S-View type window case or LG quick circle case, but their version in the box, so you won't have to buy that as a separate accessory. Although gold probably wouldn't have been my first choice, something is definitely better than nothing. So I can slip that back in there and then talk you around the phone. If you wanted to see the phone in a lot more detail, check out our hands-on. We've done a full hands-on at the launch event. But yeah, like I said, this thing tapers beautifully into around 2.6 millimeters either side. We can peel away the plastic, but before I do, there's some information which is actually pretty useful dotted around. NFC, always making a massive deal about the fact that they're stripping. That plastic strip is the same color as a product. So if you get the pink one, you'll get a pink plastic strip. So they're basically saying they're doing a better job than Apple at design, which is debatable, but it's nice to see they're trying. You've got power key, volume key, 13 megapixel rear camera, and that fingerprint scanner as well. So I can peel off that plastic around the back and peel off the plastic around the front, and I can boot the thing up for you and let you enjoy the boot up screen. Just gave me a little vibrate. Huawei's appeared on screen. As I'm outdoors, it might not be the easiest to view. There you go, and you've got the speaker at the base. Still don't know if it's mono or stereo. We will find out soon enough. And now that it's booting up to Emotion UI, it's come to the language selection. So that was a pretty quick boot up. Just quickly talking you around the key specs before I call it a day. 8 megapixel front camera. It comes complete with a soft focus light. So it's gonna warm up those selfies and brighten them out, flatten those wrinkles. Dare I say you have any in the first place. You've also got the speaker at the base. We'll try that out when we get our proper hands-on with it, or in-depth hands-on in review. Right-hand side, volume rocker and power button. Left-hand side, you've just got that SIM card slot, dual SIM card slot. Around the back, it's that 13 megapixel camera and that fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner, which supports gestures, by the way. But obviously, all that is in the UI, and if you do want to know more about it, check out our full hands-on. In the meantime, hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing video of what's been a rather elaborate box for the new Huawei Mate S. If you have, then click that thumbs up button. There you go. And if you like BTech in general, subscribe. That's exactly how you're going to stay on top of everything we do. Thanks for watching BTech. Micro SD and a micro SIM slot. So this is going to be expandable by 200 gigabytes, which is mightily impressive. 32 gig onboard memory. 3.5mm headphone jack. This is going to also be compatible with a set of headphones that Sony is going to be releasing, which allows for both digital noise cancellation and high resolution audio, all at the same time. Around the back, it's a new camera sensor, 23 megapixels. What's really awesome about this is that it combines a new focus system with a range of other things to make it a